Hello. Today we are looking at a Canon imageCLASS X MF1643iF, and we're going to be changing out the toner. First thing you want to do is go and press the button on the side here, which will open the toner compartment. As you can see, the toner cartridge is right here. You just gently pull on it until it pops out. And you see if it's right there, it's on the rails. And you take the new toner cartridge and you just place it on the rails and gently slide it in evenly until it locks into place. Make note that the text on the toner cartridge is right side up. If you flip this upside down, it will not work. And just take the compartment and close it, and you should be ready to go.